Chang'e 5T1, Chinese, T1, pinyin, Cháng'e wǔhào T1, is an experimental unmanned lunar mission that was launched on 23 October 2014 by the China National Space Administration, CNSA, to conduct atmospheric re-entry tests on the capsule design planned to be used in the Chang'e 5 mission. As the final part of the Chinese Lunar Exploration Program, Chang'e 5, scheduled for 2017, will be a moon sample return mission. Like its predecessors, the spacecraft is named after the Chinese moon goddess Chang'e. Xiaofei literally means little flyer in Chinese. The return capsule of Chang'e 5T1 landed in Siziwang Banner, Inner Mongolia on 31 October 2014, 22:42 UTC. CE-5T1 service module entered lunar orbit by January 13, 2015. Initial orbit is 200 by 5,300 km with period of 8 hours. Characteristics: it consisted of a DFH-3A Chang'e 2 type spacecraft featuring the Chang'e 5 return capsule, launched by a Long March 3C rocket into a lunar free return trajectory. It looped behind the Moon and returned to Earth, with the return capsule testing the high-speed atmospheric skip re-entry. The DFH-3A service module remained in orbit around the Earth before being relocated via Earth-Moon L2 to lunar orbit by 13 January 2015, where it will use its remaining 800 kilograms of fuel to test maneuvers key to future lunar missions. In February and March, the DFH-3A service module will perform 2 virtual target rendezvous tests for the future CE-5 mission. In April 2015, the small monitoring camera will be used to obtain higher resolution photos of CE-5's landing zone. Mission profile. Launch: Xichang Satellite Launch Center, October 23, 2014, 18:00 UTC. Nominal mission duration: Chang'e 5 return capsule, 196 hours, 8.17 days. Nominal mission duration: DFH-3A. Ongoing lunar flyby, 97 hours after final orbit insertion, 4.04 days. Periselenium: approximately 13,000 kilometers from Moon surface. Distance of Moon from Earth at closest flyby: approximately 373,000 kilometers. Landing: Siziwang Banner, Inner Mongolia, 31 October 2014, 22:42 UTC. Secondary payloads: Chang'e 5T1 also carries the first commercial mission to the Moon called the 4M mission, Manfred Memorial Moon Mission, for the German space technology company, OHB System, in honor of the company's founder, Professor Manfred Fuchs, who died in 2014. Technical management of the 4M mission was performed by LuxSpace. The payload weighs 14 kilograms and contains 2 scientific instruments. The first instrument is a radio beacon to test a new approach for locating spacecraft. Amateur radio operators were encouraged via prize incentives to receive the transmissions and send results back to LuxSpace. The second instrument, a radiation dosimeter provided by the Spanish company IC Malaga, continuously measured radiation levels throughout the satellite's circumlunar path. The spacecraft also carries a radiation exposure experiment with bacteria and plants. See also: Chinese Space Program, Chinese Lunar Exploration Program, CLEP, Exploration of the Moon, List of missions to the Moon, Robotic Exploration of the Moon, Manfred Memorial Moon Mission, 4M, official website for secondary payload at Chang'e 5T1, Pocket Spacecraft Space Exploration for Everyone, official website for another secondary payload at Chang'e 5T1.